Hi children. I I hope all are done the homework. In last class, I given objective work in workbook from lesson number 1. Today, we will start second lesson, acids and bases. Before start the lesson, I asking few questions, you answer it. Do you find any difference in the taste of raw and ripe ripe fruits? Do some substances change their taste when cooked? Do substances change their taste when added to some other substances? Children, these all questions answers I think. In class 6, we learned how to prepare the food. Different types of food methods like steaming, boiling, roasting, and what things we add to food for taste. How to preserve the food. Yeah, these all points you are remember? Very good. Now, even our food has a lot of variety. Different items also have different taste. In preparing and storing food, we take a lot of care. Children, did you understood? Yes. Raw mango. Taste of raw mango is sour. But ripe mango and yellow mango taste is sweet. Do you observe this all? Yes. In table 1, first column. Serial number, second one, sweet. In our daily life, what type of food sweets we are sweet taste? Sugar, laddu, and so on. What food items are sweet? Banana. You can write. And second column, sour, lemon juice, orange, tamarind. Right. Next, bitter gourd, salt, common salt, spices, red chili, green chili. You will complete this table. Yeah. One more example also, children. Milk taste is light sweet, but you add some curd to that milk. After boiling, you add to some quantity of little bit of curd that called convert into the curd. Change the after boiling. Change the taste also. After one day, curd that comes to slowly so taste. Yeah, you have, I think you have a experience also that one. Now let us do one activity. Take some turmeric powder, add a bit of water to it and prepare turmeric paste. Rub the turmeric paste on white paper. Draw a flower on that paper with a pencil. Color the flower with soap water using a brush. Children, first take a turmeric powder, add a bit of water and prepare the turmeric paste. That paste you rub on a white paper. Children, these all things are to your home only. Very simple experiment. Just you try it at home. Turmeric powder, water add and prepare the turmeric paste. That paste are rub on a white paper. Draw a one flower with the pencil. Then on that flower, a flower pen rub apply a soap water, any soap. What we had, you apply that soap water. Similarly, take some lemon water also. Another side, again you draw the one more flower and apply a lime water. Add a few drops it on a piece of turmeric paper. Does the paper change its color? మీరు ఒక టర్మరిక్ పేపర్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసేసి పేస్ట్ పూసేసి ఒక సైడ్ ఏం చేయాలి, సోప్ వాటర్తో కలర్ ఇచ్చేయాలి, ఇంకో సైడ్ ఏమో లైమ్ వాటర్తో దానిపైన బ్రష్ కలర్ చేయాలి, ఆ ఫ్లవర్ పైన రబ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, లైమ్ వాటర్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సున్నపు నీళ్ళు. అది లేకపోతే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే సర్ఫ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సర్ఫ్, దట్ సర్ఫ్ ఆల్సో యూ రబ్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్లవర్. We notice here that the turmeric changes color when soap water or lime water is added to it. It is possible that some other substance also change their color. Let us see next one. ఇలా లైమ్ వాటర్ కానీ లేకపోతే సోప్ వాటర్ కానీ అప్లై చేస్తే ఆ ఫ్లవర్ which diagram you draw on a turmeric paper, that color will change. Next, let us do activity 2. Take a piece of turmeric paper, find as many of the substances given in a table to see children. Turmeric paper one by one. You could try using other substances around you as well. What did you observe? Do you find any change in color? We notice that the color of turmeric paper changes with some substances when added. The substances which indicates a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. Turmeric is a natural indicator. We can also prepare other natural indicators mentioned in a table 2. See children here, table 2. First, take a indicators. Indicator definition is: indicators are substances that change color when they are added to acidic or base solutions. Children, did you understood? Indicators are substances that change the color when they are. ఏదైనా ఒక థింక్ సబ్స్టెన్స్కి మనం యాసిడ్ ఆర్ బేస్ వి యాడ్, acid or base, color the indicator. So these are called indicators. Examples: litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl, or some indicators are used in a laboratory. Children, did you understood? Litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl oranges are few indicators we use in a laboratory. Yeah, see first one. Turmeric, petals of hibiscus, mango leaf, beetroot, oleander. Oleander means in Telugu ganner flowers. Children, I show to you. Children, these are oleander flowers. Yes, children. China rose or hibiscus flower. Next, turmeric, litmus paper. These two, turmeric and China rose means or hibiscus, these two are natural indicators. But litmus paper is a man-made indicator used in a laboratories. Color of indicator paper: vinegar, apple juice, banana, lemon juice, soap, lime water, glass cleaner, milk of magnesia. Now I show to milk of magnesia. Yeah, children, this one milk of magnesia, this one used in a medicines also for easily digestion, and some this one also used for the little bit quantity for the child who are suffered with stomach ache, like that. These are your milk of magnesia. Next one, glass cleaner, choline, vinegar. At home also somebody use vinegar for some food items prepare vinegar. So take vinegar, drop a few drops of vinegar on turmeric paper. Any changes? Again apply on a hibiscus petals, mango leaf, beetroot, oleander. So you can change any difference. That color will change. Which color to original color convert into in which color? You can write. These are all also available in our which things you have. Try to, for example, turmeric, banana, lemon juice also there. Soap, lime water. Lime water not there means you use a surf powder also. Glass cleaner also at home there. But not there milk of magnesia. Just you what things we need. try to doing this activity at home, children. Yeah, next children, let us do activity 3. Take solution of some juices of fruits, vegetables, cold drinks and various solutions and test them with blue and red litmus papers. See children, now I show to that litmus papers also. Here substances: orange, tomato, baking soda, mineral water, vinegar, salt water, shampoo, washing soda, spirit, saliva, cucumber, ridge guard, keera, buttermilk, milk, cold drink, lemon juice, grape juice, bathing soap, detergent soap, lime water, sugar water. Red litmus paper convert into which color? Blue litmus paper turns to which color? No change. Now I explain to one by one. Yes, see children, this is a litmus papers. Now first of all, different types. For example, lemon water. We dip a blue and red litmus paper in a lemon juice. Red color convert into the blue. Red color same as it is, but blue color convert into the red. Take a 2 litmus papers, red and blue. Dip in a lemon juice. Red color litmus paper same as it is, no color change, but blue color litmus paper convert into red. See children here. Yeah. మనం లెమన్ జ్యూస్లో రెడ్ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ పెడితే రెడ్లోనే ఉంటుంది, బట్ బ్లూ ఏమైంది? హియర్ డౌన్ పార్ట్ చేంజ్ ద కలర్. నెక్స్ట్ టేక్ ఏ soap water. Dip 2 colors litmus paper, red and blue. Here blue no color change, but here red color convert into the blue. Red is convert into the blue. Children, ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏమైంది? మనము లెమన్ జ్యూస్ తీసుకొని 2 లిట్మస్ పేపర్ని డిప్ చేస్తే రెడ్ ఏమైంది? యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా ఉంది, బట్ బ్లూ ఏమైంది? కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ద రెడ్. ఇన్ సెకండ్ కేస్ వీ టేక్ ఎ సోప్ వాటర్ ఏమైంది? బ్లూ కలర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా ఉంది, బట్ రెడ్ కలర్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ద బ్లూ. నెక్స్ట్ in another beaker we take a water, dip in a 2 litmus papers, no color change. Here what did you understood means acid have a sour taste, base have a bitter taste, soap have a like soap water like a bitter taste only na, not a sweet kada. మనకు సోప్ వాటర్ బిట్టర్ టేస్టే ఉంటుంది, స్వీట్గా ఉండదు. రెడ్ అండ్ బ్లూ లిట్మస్ పేపర్స్ ఆర్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ ఇండికేటర్స్. రెడ్ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ వెన్ యూ డిప్ ఇన్ ఏ ఆల్కహాల్, నో చేంజ్. రెడ్ కలర్ని మనం ఆల్కహాల్లో డిప్ చేస్తే నో చేంజ్, బట్ బ్లూ ఆర్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇన్ టు ద red color. That is the nature of the red litmus paper. Next, blue litmus paper. You dip in a bases. Blue litmus paper in a base solutions, no change. But in acids that convert into the blue. రెడ్ ఏమవుతుంది? యాసిడ్లో అయితే సేమ్గా ఉంటుంది చిల్డ్రన్, బట్ బేస్లో పెట్టినప్పుడు అదేమవుతుంది? టర్న్ ఇంటూ ద బ్లూ కలర్. బ్లూ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? టర్న్ ఇంటూ ద రెడ్. చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ హియర్ కాల్ రెడ్ అండ్ బ్లూ లిట్మస్ పేపర్, బట్ కలర్ ఈజ్ న్యాచురల్లీ పింక్ ఇన్ కలర్. మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, అరే ఇక్కడ లైట్ పింక్ కలర్లో ఉంది, టీచర్ ఏమో రెడ్ లిట్మస్ అంటుంది, బట్ that call a red litmus paper. Children, did you understood? Next one more, neutral. Neutral means that not a base, not a acid. That's why here no color change. Okay children, today what we learn? First one, in our surrounding there are a number of food items. Turmeric, hibiscus, these are a natural indicators. Turmeric changes color when soap water or lime water is added to it. These are the natural substances. The substances that indicates a change in color when some substances are added to it is known as the indicator. Next, litmus papers, methyl, orange, phenolphthalein, these are the some indicators used in a laboratories. Next one, acid. Acidic substances. The substances that contain different acids and ability to turn blue litmus to red. యాసిడ్ అనేవి ఏం చేస్తాయి, బ్లూ లిట్మస్ని రెడ్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెమన్, సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్, బనానా, ఆల్సో సమ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ acidic acid. Next, basic substances. The substances which are soapy to touch are basic in nature. Soapy, touch ki soapy and bitter taste also. Soap, glass cleaner, these are the some basic substances. And neutral also. Neutral substance means a neutral substance is a material that exhibits neither or acid nor a base. Adi acid kaadu, base kaadu properties and does not change color litmus paper. Today we discuss this point children. Once you read, when teachers are explain the lesson, you read at least 2 times the topic thoroughly. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you.